yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wish for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it.
It's a sunny Sunday morning, and what could we do better than taking the thing on a ride out, heading to the mountains, some twisty mountain roads. But first of all, we need to head up to the gas station because that thing is empty again. And yeah, then let's fill it up. The good thing is, after heading to the gas station, the motor should be warm enough to get straight to the mountain roads, because they are right above this hill, so not that far away. But it's very windy today. I hope that's not an issue, but I don't think so. And there are even more bikers. Yeah, that's a perfect condition, I think. And we are heading for the one, because that's my station for usual. Liters. I thought there would be more space in this tank. Maybe the last ride wasn't as heavy as I thought it was. 10.5 liters. Now we're filled up, heading to the mountain roads. To get there we need to get through this little city. But the good thing is, all these houses are creating an echo, so we can hear the bike. And it never gets old. But the streets are very small, to be honest. Yep. So 2 bikes would fit perfectly. But 2 cars, I don't think so. And now we are on. But I think the Opel in front of us isn't the fastest one. Yeah, then let's enjoy this view, the weather. It's just awesome. Now we got a completely free street. Look at this view. This is amazing. You can see all the way. Tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running for my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, mirror, don't you lie. I can see it. I would say it's a perfect weather for a ride. It's not too warm, it's not too cold, the bike has the right temperature, but the streets are not in the best conditions. But I think that's a thing we can dismiss this time. Yep, I would say this is the end of the fun, because this Volkswagen isn't going to be as fast as I am. And yeah, with all that said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit me up in the comments what I could do better, and see you guys in the next one.